Did you know how powerful spreadsheets can be for analyzing data? Picture a massive grid filled with rows and columns where you can store oodles of data. That's a spreadsheet. They're like a supercharged calculator helping you sort, filter, and crunch numbers to reveal meaningful insights. Imagine having a giant pizza with all sorts of toppings. Each topping represents a different piece of data. Spreadsheets help you understand what slice has more cheese or pepperoni. So, spreadsheets are a bit like a super-powered calculator that can handle data about anything you can imagine, from chocolate to pizza, ice cream, and even soda. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is data analysis? Well, let's break it down into bite-sized pieces, much like a delicious chocolate bar. Imagine you're curious about your eating habits, specifically how often you indulge in each of the 4 main food groups: chocolate, pizza, ice cream, and soda. To satisfy your curiosity, you start keeping track, jotting down each time you have a slice of pizza or sip a soda. This is the first part of data analysis: collecting data. After a week, you have a list, a record of all your gastronomic adventures. But a list alone doesn't tell you much. You need to organize this data to make sense of it. Maybe you arrange it by day or by food group or even by mealtime. This is the second part of data analysis: organizing data. Now comes the exciting part. You get to play detective. You start examining your organized data, looking for patterns or trends. Do you eat more chocolate on Tuesdays? Is pizza your go-to dinner? Are you sipping more soda than you thought? This process of examining your data to find patterns or answer questions is the third part of data analysis. In essence, data analysis helps you find the story your data is telling, like, which food group is the champion in your diet? How do spreadsheets help with data analysis, you might wonder? Well, imagine you're trying to keep track of all the chocolate, pizza, ice cream, and soda you've consumed over a month. That's a lot of data. Spreadsheets swoop in like a superhero, making this daunting task a piece of cake. Spreadsheets offer a variety of tools for organizing and analyzing your data. You can sort and filter your food log by type, date, or quantity. Need to know how much pizza you've eaten in total? Spreadsheets can handle that with ease. Want to find out your average ice cream consumption per day? Just a few clicks and voila! But that's not all. Spreadsheets can also transform your data into visual delights. With a few more clicks, you can create charts and graphs, making it easier to spot trends or outliers in your data. So using a spreadsheet, you can quickly find out your average pizza consumption per week, or which food group you consume the most. But spreadsheets aren't just about numbers. They can also give us cool visuals. Imagine having a pile of numbers and data, and you need to make sense of it all. It could be a bit overwhelming, right? That's where charting comes in. Spreadsheets have this nifty feature that lets you create charts and graphs. It's like painting a picture with your data. You might have a list of how many slices of pizza, scoops of ice cream, bars of chocolate, and cans of soda you've devoured over the past month. But a long list of numbers can be hard to digest. When you transform that data into a chart or graph, it's like magic. Suddenly, those numbers take on a new life. You can see trends, make comparisons, and spot outliers. It's a visual feast that's much easier to understand and interpret, especially when dealing with large data sets. So with a quick glance at a chart, you can easily see if pizza takes up more of your diet than ice cream, chocolate, and soda combined.